Okay, bon appetit, guys. You have to finish all that pizza because nobody's gonna eat it. Yeah, only for 3 of you guys. Good job. Oh, look at little Miss Maate using fork. Usually she would use knife too, but no knife today. Come on, Jordan. Eat, eat, eat.
This is hard. Cutting a pizza,
Sasha, just bite it, baby.
what?
There. Just bite it.
Distance.
Baby, you know how to hold it. There you go. That's how you eat the pizza, though.